How to fix Binance app install problem. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix Binance installation problem on your Play Store. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open Play Store on your device. Make sure to sign in or log into your account. Tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Choose Settings. Tap Network Preferences. Select App Download Preference and here choose over any network. Tap OK button. Exit from Play Store. Go to the settings on your device. Tap Apps. Select App Management. Wait for a while until every application gets loaded. Tap Search bar at top of the screen and type in Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and get access to App Info section of Google Play Store. Select Storage Use. Tap Clear Cache. You can either clear data as well if you wish to. Come back, tap three dots and tap on Install Updates. Once done, come back to the same page and here search for Google Play Services. Open it. Select Storage Uses and here Clear Cache. Come back, tap three dots at top right corner and tap on Install Updates. Once done, your issue will be fixed. If not yet, you can easily restart your device. And that's it. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.